Here's what you should do. Treat yourself to an unforgettable, terrible teriyaki and huge tofu. Harryhausen's is the monster's choice for fine dining. Your children are toxic to monsters, but thanks to the watch eye of the Child Protection Agency, there has never been a child security breach in Monstropolis. Can you imagine what would happen if a human child ever did enter our city? So let's give a big yay for the CDA. They keep Monstropolis human toxin free. The brave, the yellow, the CDA.
Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies, piernas y colas dentro del taxi y vigilen a sus hijos. Gracias.
While hovering through Monstropolis, please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi.
Alright, so trade on it, Devin.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Spoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child froze me with its telepathic control, it made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with a bad hook.
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Sweet monster in the sky,
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We have a 2319 in Barclays on unit. Spread out and lock it down. All units, here's the girl we're looking for. No humans back here. I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scale floor.
Done yet, boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, boo, there's your door.
We're almost
go? Oh, no. Simon!
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Kitty! Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep time.